Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to assign tasks in ClickUp. So, in order to do this, first of all, log into your ClickUp using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see your ClickUp's dashboard. So after navigating to the workspace where you want to assign the task, you will see the tasks appearing just right here. Now, if you want to add another task, click on Add Task, enter the task's name, hit enter. Now, you will see that task appearing. As you can see, this task is not assigned to anyone on the board. And in order to do that, simply click on this small button that is a person plus icon under assignee. When you click on this button, it will search for the people that will be available on your board. You'll have to simply select the person that you're going to assign this task to, and you will see their names icon appearing just after that task. You can also remove any assigned person. Click on this icon and choose another person's email, and as you can see, I just assigned this task to someone else on my board. Just by doing this, you can add another task, hit enter, and click on this small person plus icon, select the person that you want to assign this task to, and their names icon will appear in the assignee section, and you would have successfully assigned a task on ClickUp. So that's how you assign tasks on ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.